All right, so we have a totally different view for me. We received a package and we're going to do a try on haul from Pink Blush Maternity. So that's kind of a secret for a lot of people, if you know what I mean. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. I don't like it like that. Anyway, that's a little mean. Sorry, I shouldn't have said that. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna try it on. I will be, so in a few days, my husband and I are going to an all-white wedding. So I got some all-white dresses. I have a few of the outfits, but they're not like maternity. They're not from this place, so I didn't want to put them in here. But comment down below if you'd like to see those. Man, anyways, let's just get right into the video. This one is already giving me no vibes. Like, this is already just no. Okay, let me hide my bra. It's off the shoulder. Can you see it? This is like, no, this is like fa la 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 no. Like, everything about it. The girl looks so cute in the picture. I thought this was gonna be the dress I would wear. Like, I'm not even keeping this. I just want to return it. Like, no. Ugh. I'll put like price and description, everything in the description box if you're interested. I feel like this will fit someone a lot taller, a lot better. Can you see me? This is just no, like, no, I just don't like it. Hold on. Should I do this? Is this back far enough? Can you see me? No, oh my god. I feel like it needs to be brought in here just a tad. I don't like stuff tight like on my bum. I got this one in a large because I thought, I don't know how to, I think it said it ran small or something, but it's like massive. Like, I mean, you can't really tell, but it's big. I mean, I love the sequins. Let's see that. I love the sequins. And this is more like a cream and silver, which she still said you can do at the wedding. This just ain't, this is just not it. Like, look how wide it makes me look. Oh my gosh, this is giving me like, Tina, is that longer? Look. I'm actually mortified by this. I thought I was gonna love it. I'm mortified. This is so hideous. Anyways, so this is a no. And I bought everything bigger because I'll be, because of how many weeks I'll be for the wedding next week. And anyways, let's get this one together. Is there like a, what's going on here? Is there like a button or, oh, it's a tie. Okay, I see. That's cute. I like the tie. If I can tie it, maybe a little bow. Okay. Obviously, I would not be able to wear this bra with it. I love halters. I love, my wedding dress was a halter. My favorite dresses in my closet are halters. I love a good halter neck, which is why I went for this one. Pretty long. I like it. I like it. This is a medium. I wish I would have got a small because it's definitely like in some places just loose here, and then I like how long it is. Goes to my ankles, and I'm 5'3", so I'm not really tall. So it's, I think it's like a midi dress, but I'm only 5'3". Fun fact: everyone thinks I'm a lot taller than I am, and I'm not. Actually, I'm really short. It's cute. Again, I wish I would have got a small, but I don't know. Everything is just kind of making me look bigger than I am. Maybe I'm just that big, and I just think I'm looking good. have to be the one I wear if the next one is just like a no. But I'm not mad at this one. I think maybe having like a little fur shawl, some cute heels. What do you guys think? Rate it compared to the first one. What do you think of this one? Comment down below, 1 or 2. Okay. Anyways, this is giving me it'll work. Not your favorite, but it'll work. So yeah, let's see. On to the next one. All right, girl, let's see what's happening here. Because right now, you are giving me bad choice vibes. Ooh, see already. Not about that cleavage way. One thing for me when it comes to clothes, comfort and modest. Tag. Okay, so this one has a little tie in the back, and this one, oh my gosh, it literally is like dragging on the floor. I will have to, let's see. This one, I think I like it. I think I like it. This is giving me, this is Ubedoran. It's kind of giving me pregnancy shoot. But, okay, it's giving me, it's definitely the one I feel like out of all of them, you can tell I'm pregnant. Again, I have like a little tie in the back, which I love little girly details like that. That's what happens when you try to look cute. Definitely with this color, it's a little more see-through. Thankfully, I have on like black, like so you would need to wear nude anything under nude for you. So I can definitely get this taken in or pin it or something because it's not too bad. I just, if it's not like there, I'll be crossing it all night. Stand on my bed. I like it. I think this is my favorite one. Look at that, saved the best for last. I think I'm gonna wear my hair something like this if I don't get braids by the wedding. I like this. And this is how I shop at the store. Like, I'm like, boom, boom, I'm done. This is how I shop in general. Hold on. I want you guys to see how far it goes down to the floor. Again, I'm 5'3", so it's really long. You see it? Yeah, you can see it. Look at that. So I definitely need to, oh, straight. I definitely need to go get it hemmed. For sure need to go get it hemmed. Because this is it. This is what I'm wearing. I think, okay, you guys tell me. Comment down below which one looked best on me. Because sometimes your view is distorted. You would think you look good inside. Maybe I'll go back and watch this video and edit it and be like, no girl. But I feel like I won't have to worry about this one. I won't be uncomfortable. Sorry, my father-in-law calling me. Yeah, so yeah, I like it. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I only got 3. Sorry, I thought there was more. Only got 3, but I do like them. I think they look cute. But I don't see myself keeping the other 2. I'll either change the color of the halter one and, you know, get a size down, and that sequin one just has to go. Like, I don't ever want to see that again. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. We are really doing this vlogmas thing. I mean, this isn't a vlog, but we're doing it here. My subscribers, y'all, are going up. Like, ding, 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 and I love it. Anyways, let me try to like me or something. You know? Finish it before my husband sees me talking. Yeah, anyways, thanks again for watching. watching.